Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you what's important in this network setting tab. For this tab, we just realized that we didn't really create any templates for our websites or create a nice front end for our website, as you can see. Okay, so in this video, we are going to install some free themes, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we will add a theme here. Okay, hit add. Okay, the theme we are using is Astra site. This theme is very responsive, and they have a lot of preview templates that we can use to create demos on our site. Okay, so hit activate Astra theme. Now we need to add a couple of plugins. The first one is Astra site templates. The second one is Elementors. Elementor is a page builder, and it's pretty well with the Astra site. Okay, let's look for Astra site. Astra site come with a bunch of templates, pre-built templates, so we can install those templates on our network. Okay, I already installed this one. We'll activate it later. Now let's look for Elementor. Okay, now install this page builder. Now this is my experience of what I found is work for me, but you might find something else that work for you in terms of the combinations of themes and plugins. Okay, now we can go to our site, then we can activate these newly installed plugin. Okay, plugin. Okay, once we done all the update and activation, we go back to our main dashboard. From here, we'll go to appearance, then start a template. Okay, these are all the available templates we can use for our site. Let's find one that you like the most. Okay, we can preview the site here. This one look very simple, but it's look clean also. So I'm gonna use this one for our web hosting business. Okay, all we have to do is just hit the import complete site. Okay, delete the previous imported site. Okay, I want a clean installation of this template, so I'll just choose that option. Okay, while this importing the contents for us, we are going to create a couple of pages. One is the demo page, and the other one is the pricing page. Okay, to do that, we go into need, copy a couple of shortcode. Okay, we will name it pricing. Then we go back to WP ultimo, and then settings. Okay, let's create another one. Okay, when we are in the WP ultimo settings, we are going to click on help. From here we choose the shortcode. Then we are going to copy the pricing table. Then we are going to paste this in our main page. I mean the pricing page. Okay, from here we can choose if we want the sidebars. So we don't want any sidebar. Then we are going to choose the full width content. Okay, disable titles, disable breadcrumb. Then we are going to update this page. Okay, publish. This one is demo. We are going to do the same thing. Copy the template list shortcode. Alright, copy it. We are going to paste this here. Same setting. Contain. Disable title. Disable breadcrumb. This should be good. Publish. Now we go back to the install template. Now we can view the newly installed demo. Here we are. Now we have this this brand new site. Now we can hit the edit with Elementors, so we can change all these contents. Alright, let's add some menu here. We can go to customize, or we can go to menu here. I usually choose customize because it's the simplest. Plus it shows you the front end of the website, so when you make the changes, it's kind of make the changes live on the site. Okay, from here we go to menu, and we choose the top menu. Okay, now we are going to add a couple of pages we just created. One is demo, and the other one is pricing. Now we can change the locations of these anywhere we want. Okay. Now hit publish. Okay, once it's finished publish, we can hit over here to exit out of the customizer. As you can see over here, we have the updated menu. We can click on pricing to see the page we created earlier, and then we can click on the demo to see it. Alright, this is the pricing page we just created. Okay, look great. And this is the demo page. Now we don't have any templates available, but let's create one more so we can add it here. Okay, let's go to our dashboard. Then we are going to create a new site. And from here we just hit add a site. Then we can choose like store, and we can name our site as e-commerce store. Then choose the email we want. Then we can choose the pre-built template, but in this case I'll just add a plain site. Okay, now we can view our dashboard. Okay, we are going to do the same process as we did earlier with the main site. Is that we are going to enable the theme here, and then activate some plugins, and then we are going to install the demos for this site. Okay guys, once we finish importing this site, we are going to check on the front end of the site, see if everything is okay, everything installed properly. Alright, everything seems to work properly, and now we are going to set this site as a template on our network. So we are going to go back to WP Ultimo settings and choose general. Okay, so once we are here, we will go to network setting. All right, we are going to scroll down, and then we see the newly installed site. So we are going to choose this, and also enable the screenshot scraper, because this will take the screenshot of the page and use it as a thumbnail on the demo page. Okay, we're going to save this. Now once this save, we are going to go back to our demo page. From here we will reload, then hopefully it's load up. There we are. As you can see, now we have the template. Now users, once they when they visit this link right here, they can sign up a site on your network. Let's check it out. Alright, now select this template, then user can go to these plan right here. Okay, select plan, then site title. Alright, everything seemed to work properly. So in the next few videos, we are going to go to the domain mapping. So user can add custom domain name on the sign up process. Okay guys, if you follow all of the stuff we went through, you'll be able to create these. But if you have any questions, you can message me. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.